If the graph of the equation 3x plus 4y equals to 12 cuts the coordinate axis at point A and B, then hypotenuse of the right triangle AOB is of the length. First understand the problem. See here, these are the points A and B. Okay, and this is the origin and this is the right angle because this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now this line 3x plus 4y equals to 12 cuts x-axis and y-axis at 2 points. So first you have to find the 2 points. How do you find this? For y-axis, put x equals to 0. So if you put x equals to 0 in this, you get 4y equals to 12. So y will be equal to 3. See this point 0, 3. So this length is 3. Now to find a point at x-axis, you put y equals to 0. So 3x equals to 12. So x equals to 4. This length equals to 4. This point is 4 comma 0. Now we got the two lengths 4 and 3. And the question asked is hypotenuse. This hypotenuse. Now what is the hypotenuse? Now we come back to Pythagoras theorem. Now what is this Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equals to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Remember, never say base square plus height square because you will get confused later. Always remember side 1 and side 2 means side 1 square plus side 2 square. So you can call this base and this as height. So base square plus height square or side 1 square plus side 2 square equals to hypotenuse square. So this is Pythagoras theorem. So we know the two sides 3 and 4. So 3 square plus 4 square 9, 16, 25. So hypotenuse square equals to 25. So what will be hypotenuse now? Square root of 25. So it can be remember plus or minus 5. Remember the square root of any number is plus or minus. But the problem is it's a length. Means see this, it's a length. This is a hypotenuse. So can a length be negative? No. It can either be 0 or positive. So minus 5 becomes out of question. So hypotenuse becomes 5. So that is the answer. Hypotenuse of right triangle AOB is of the length 5. That is AB it will be.